Mike, there's a great new product out. It's the Quest Trusted Data Management Platform. What does that mean for organizations?
Well, Greg, so the Quest Trusted Data Management Platform is a new product that we've brought out. It's what I consider a revolutionary product in the business. So people are using data to fuel AI. Everyone wants to roll out their AI efforts and make use of all the new tools within AI. However, that's only as good as the data that you can actually fuel the AI models with. And the Quest Trusted Data Management Platform is the basis of a product suite that we have, including what we've also launched, which is the first product that runs on that, which is our Automated Data Products Factory. This is a foundation of a really new way that we're looking at things, using AI and using natural language models to basically create data products or reuse data products that a customer may already have built. So there are, for example, if you go and talk to some of the major businesses out there, customers of ours, some of them have 20, 30,000 models that they're actually using out there, and they have a whole catalog of all these data products, but they have no real way of knowing if they're reusing them or if they're recreating the same model. So this platform actually does a great job of identifying the data the customer needs to basically build their AI models and to really have an effective launch of their AI products.